Here's a Air King from early 70's, I believe. I got from a fan collector last week, along with that green fan right there, which is a very rare liquid. It's a Grant Bradford. That one's got some motor issues. Anyway, we'll start off unloading this. I think this fan has a weak startup winding because it seems to have troubles getting up to speed on low, so I have to kick it up on the high to get past startup. And then I'll go to high. Off, and then spin down. I tried taking the motor apart, but the blade set screw doesn't seem to come off. So I think today I'm going to buy some coil penetrating oil. I heard it works really good getting these blade set screws off. Prove it when I get it. I did clean it up a little bit. The blades were a lot dirtier, but I can't seem to get that dirt mark on there off. Looks like bird shit, but I don't think that's what it is. But I'm absolutely in love with this fan though. It runs awesome. This morning I woke up and it started to slow down a little bit. I was getting a little concerned, so I turned it off. But anyway. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, it does have a Westinghouse motor and a metal back grill. This is a sealed bearing, I believe it is. Can't oil it. And it even says on the bottom in there, I think it says, I don't know, I can't even see it. Maybe it's on the bottom. Anyway, it says does not need oiled. Or yeah, something like that. But yeah, that's the Berns Air King. And until next time.